Hello. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to terminate an LC APC connector on the KF4A. First, turn your machine on. Make sure all of your settings are proper. In this case, my splice mode is set to Splice-On connector, my heat mode to SO9, my stripper mode to 900 micron. Next, prep your fiber. Install the back boot onto your back shell. Firmly push till the back boot is seated up against the back shell. Install onto your fiber. Next, your spring. Then your heat shrink. Place inside your holder, leaving approximately a 1-inch tail. Turn your stripper on, open your stripper doors, place fiber inside your stripper, close your stripper doors. Remove your holder, clean. Place inside your cleaver, close your bin door, and cleave. Open your wind cover, place inside your splicer. Next, prepare your connector. Place your connector inside the holder, close your door, place inside your stripper, close your doors. Open your left door first, then your right. Clean. Place inside your cleaver, close your bin door, cleave. Put your holder inside your splicer. Close your wind cover. Allow the machine to align your fibers. Once aligned, check your left and right cleave angles. If all looks good, go ahead and perform your splice. Once completed, open your wind cover, allow a tensile test to be performed. When the machine comes back to the main screen, this test is done. Open your holders. Remove your connector, allow to hang, bring your heat shrink up, place into your oven. Turn your oven on. This process takes approximately 30 seconds. When complete, open your oven, remove your connector, place in your cooling tray. Once it's cooled, we now have final assembly. Final assembly of the LC APC is critical to proper performance of the connector. On one of the sides of the hexagon nut, there is a red dot. This red dot indicates up. Bring your spring up, all the way to the back of the hexagon nut. Bring your back boot and back shell up. With tab up. At this point, remove your dust cap, remembering to keep your red dot up. Insert into your connector and snap together. Replace your dust cap, and this completes this video. Thank you.